Now going to the third question. They have said they classify the given pairs of surds into like surds and unlike surds. So before we see how we do it, first let us know what are like surds and what are unlike surds. Okay, like surds are those surds which have the same order and radicand after simplifying. Okay, so if you look here, I have given the example square root 5 and 3 square root 5. What is the order in both these cases? We don't see any number written out here. So the order in both these cases is 2. What is the number inside the square root sign in both the cases? Both are 5. That means the radicand is same. Therefore, root 5 and 3 root 5 are like surds. This 3 which is out is not the order. This 3 is just multiplying with it. The order we have to look into in the small part of the square root sign. Here also we go to 2 cube root 11 and 13 cube root 11. You see the order here? Order here is 3. The order here is 3. The radicand here is 11. The radicand here is 11. So the order and radicand both are same. The numbers outside I told you don't matter. Therefore, this is a pair of like surds. Going to the last one, we have 3 upon 7 cube root 19 and 4 cube root 19. Again, don't look at the number outside in both the cases. We don't have to worry about them. Just the order and the radicand. The order here is 3. The order here is 3. The radicand here is 19. The radicand here is 19. Therefore, they are like surds. Then what are unlike surds? If they don't have the same order, then they are unlike surds. If they don't have the same radicand, they are unlike surds. If they don't have both the same order and radicand, then also they are unlike surds. So let us see how we go ahead. The first question given to us is root 52 and 5 root 13. Now if you see here root 52, I can simplify further. How can I write it? I can write it as root of, I know 52 is 4 into 13 and 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. So here I have written 4 into 13. Here I have written 2 into 2 into 13. Why did I write it? Because I want to simplify it. And for 2 2's we have 1 2 out. So the 2 comes out. What is left inside the root sign then? Only 13. So this becomes 2 root 13. What about 5 root 13? Can we simplify 13 more than this? Only 13 is a prime number, so it won't have any other factors. So this will remain as it is. So now if I compare this 2 root 13 and 5 root 13, comparing 2 root 13 and 5 root 13, what do we see? The order is the same, both are 2. Okay, so I can write the orders are the same. What else is same? The number inside, that is the radicand. So radicands also are the same. Therefore, square root of 52 and 5 root 13 are like surds. Okay, we'll go to the next question now. Root 68 and 5 root 3. We divide here root 68, start with the smallest prime factor 2. 2 goes in 6 3 times, in 8 4 times. Okay, again 2 goes in this, we know 2 into 17 is 34. So we write here 17, and here 17 goes in 17 one time. Why we directly write 17? Because we know that 17 is a prime number. Now I can write the factors here. So when I am writing the factors, what is it? 2 into 2 into 17. So 2 into 2 into 17. Now 2 is repeated here and it is square root. So for two 2's we have 1 2 out. This will be root of 17. Now we have 5 root 3. 3 is a prime number only, so that is written as it is, 5 root 3. Now we can compare these two, which is that 2 root 17 and 5 root 3. So I write here 2 root 17 and 5 root 3. Comparing 2 root 17 and 5 root 3, orders and radicands. Okay? Orders and radicands. Orders are the same, but are the radicands the same? No, the radicands are not same. So orders and radicands are not same. Or we can say both orders and radicands are not same. Therefore, 68 and 5 root 3 are unlike surds. Okay, see the third sub question now. 4 root 18 and 7 root 2. Now 4 root 18, we know that 18 is nothing but 9 into 2. Okay, so I can write this as 4 root and 9 is 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 into 2. 18 is 3 into 3 into 2. How? 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, now for these two 3's, I have 1 3 coming out. But already I have 4 there. So what happens? This becomes 4 into 3. Okay, then I have the root sign with only 2 left out because 3 has gone out. So what is left now? 12 root 2. The next one has only 2 inside. 2 is a prime number, so we write it as it is, 7 root 2. Now we compare these two. What we compare? 12 root 2 and 7 root 2. So comparing 12 root 2 and 7 root 2. What are we to look at? At the orders and the radicands. The orders are the same, both are 2. The radicands are the same, both are 2. Therefore, comparing these two, orders and radicands are the same. And if they are same, then 4 root 18 and 7 root 2 are like surds. Okay, going to the next question. We have 19 root 12 and 6 root 3. Okay, 19 root 12. We know that 19 root 12, we can write this as 12 is 4 into 3. That is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Therefore, for these two 2's, 1 2 will be out and that will multiply with 19. That is 19 into 2 and now left is only 1 3 inside. So 19 into 2 is 38. So we have here 38 root 3. 6 root 3 cannot be simplified because 3 is already a prime number, so this remains as it is. So now we compare these two, that is 38 root 3 and 6 root 3. What happens? The order is the same, both are 2. Radicand is the same, both are 3. Therefore, orders and radicands are same. Therefore, 19 root 12 and 6 root 3 are like surds. Okay, going to the fifth question now. 5 root 22 and 7 root 33. Now here we don't have to divide. Simple factors of 22 we know, that is 2 into 11. 5 root 2 into 11. But do we have any pairs here? Why we need pairs? Because the order is 2. Do we have any pairs? No. So that means it remains as it is. 5 root 22. Same thing will happen here. 33 is nothing but 3 into 11. Do we have any pairs here? No. So this will be 7 root 33. So you have here 7 root 33. So now what are we to compare? These two. 5 root 22 and 7 root 33. Orders are same? Yes, both are 2. Radicands are different. One is 22, the other is 33. So we'll say both orders and radicands are not the same. Therefore, 5 root 22 and 7 root 33 are unlike surds. Coming to the last question of this subdivision, that is sixth question, 5 root 5 and root 75. Okay, we have 5 root 5. 5 is a prime number only, so this remains as it is. You have 5 root 5. Okay, what about root 75? If I were to simplify root 75, I could write it as 25 into 3. And what is 25? 5 into 5 into 3. Now for 2 5s we have 1 5 out. Why? Because the order is 2. So we have to see 2 of the prime factors whether they are there. So 5 comes out. What is left? 3 inside. So 5 root 3. Now we have to compare these two. That is 5 root 5 and 5 root 3. Now what happens here? The order is the same. Both are 2 here. What is inside this square root sign? Here we have 5. Here we have 3. That means the radicands are not the same. So comparing 5 root 5 and 5 root 3, both orders and radicands are not the same. Therefore, 5 root 5 and root 75 are unlike surds.